Ever wondered how to whip up a perfect creamy pasta carbonara at home? Well, wonder no more. Today we journey into the heart of Italian cuisine and demystify the process of creating this rich, flavorful dish. First things first, gather the ingredients. You'll need about 200 grams of spaghetti, 100 grams of pancetta, 2 large eggs, 50 grams of pecorino cheese, 50 grams of Parmesan, fresh black pepper, and of course the star of the show, heavy cream. Start by setting a large pot of salted water on the stove to boil. While that's heating up, grab a large frying pan and place it over medium heat. Toss in the pancetta and fry until it's crispy and the fat is rendered. In the meantime, crack 2 large eggs into a bowl. Add in the pecorino and Parmesan, then grind a generous amount of black pepper in. Mix until it's all beautifully combined. Now back to the pancetta. Once it's crispy, reduce the heat to low. That's when you pour in the cream, stirring occasionally until it's heated through. By now, your water should be boiling. It's time to add the spaghetti. Cook it until it's al dente, firm to the bite but not hard. Once it's done, save a cup of the pasta water and then drain the rest. The next step is crucial. While the spaghetti is still hot, pour it into the pan with the pancetta and cream. Stir it quickly, making sure each strand is coated in the creamy, porky goodness. Now remove the pan from the heat and quickly pour the egg and cheese mixture into the spaghetti. Stir everything together, adding the saved pasta water little by little. The heat of the spaghetti will cook the egg slightly, giving you a rich, creamy sauce. Finally, season with more black pepper and serve immediately with a sprinkle of the remaining cheese. So, to recap, here's how to create the perfect creamy pasta carbonara at home. 1. Gather your ingredients. 1. Boil your spaghetti in salted water. 1. Fry the pancetta until crispy. 1. Mix the eggs, cheese, and pepper. 1. Add cream to the pancetta and heat it through. 1. Drain the spaghetti, saving some of the pasta water. 1. Mix the hot spaghetti with the pancetta and cream. 1. Off the heat, add the egg and cheese mixture to the spaghetti. 1. Stir, adding the pasta water as needed. 1. Season with black pepper and the remaining cheese, and serve immediately. That's it. 10 simple steps to a mouth-watering creamy pasta carbonara that's guaranteed to impress. Enjoy your culinary journey into the heart of Italy. Buon appetito!